What if Apple never existed? I mean, think about it. Apple has done so many great inventions in the tech space. They from the first thing, the Mac. Then they released the iPhone, which was a major hit. Then even the artificial intelligence category series, the first Mac was released in 1984, January 24th, and then Windows copied them in 1985. Mac has done, I mean, Apple has done great things like simplifying the ports. Before the this idea, everyone had different ports for all stuff. Like printers had different. There was nothing like universal serial bus, that is USB. Apple did not make USB, but they have simplified a lots of ports in their Mac. iPhone was released in 2007 and Android was released in 2008. iPhone was a great hit because before iPhone there was only touch button mobiles, and that is the basic sets like Nokia mobiles and BlackBerry mobiles. If Apple never existed, I think we'd still be left with such button phones and keypad phones instead of full display phone. Nobody had that idea before Steve Jobs. He made a groundbreaking idea like this and invented the touch technology. Yeah, well, touch technology existed before the iPhone also, but it was not used in the not used in the mobiles and PCs. Yeah, as talking of PCs, even the touchpad was used in the PowerBook. It was used in the PowerBook in Apple. Before that, there was no touchpad in the laptop space. So all the major technologies that we use today are invented by Apple. So what if Apple never existed? Well, we'd be years behind in the technological progress, and as I already told you, we'd pretty much have only like mobiles, like basic sets and all. Well, today Apple is leading the market, and the only reason the Android phones are the largest, Android phones are more in number, is because it is open source and it is a lot cheaper than Apple. These are the only two reasons that Android is ahead today. Otherwise, Apple would be great. And yeah, now I told you what if Apple never existed. Now, what if Steve Jobs was still alive today? We'd have, we can't even say he was such a crazy guy. He did things that no one could ever imagine. Well, when the basic sets were sold, nobody could think that Apple would release a phone which had no keys and only touch screen on it. They made iTunes, and before iTunes, if a person wanted to buy, or if a person loved a single song from one album, he had to buy the whole album instead of buying that one single song, and that would be expensive for him. Even though he didn't like the other songs that were sung in album, he had to buy it because it were not sold loosely, and he had to buy the whole album. That was the system. Well, iTunes changed that, and people could buy singles. With iTunes, they didn't just change how people use the music thing; they changed the entire music industry. And even with the iPhone, they changed the entire mobile industry. I mean, they are revolutionary. Well, to cover all of this in one sentence, think about it. Before the invention of cars, if the maker of the car would ask the people what they want, they would have said they want faster horses. Like even Steve Jobs said this thing in other way, in his own words. Sometimes people don't know what they want until they are shown. But if Steve Jobs was alive today, one thing would happen differently. The size of the iPhones. When Steve Jobs was alive, all the iPhones he released was nearly only 3.5 inches, and he found that 3.5 inches is the best size ever for a phone, because he could easily hold that in a hand, and the thumb could touch the other part easily like this, and that was his main idea. So he found that 3.5 inches is the exact length, the ideal length for a phone. And but if you observe, after his death, the newly released iPhones are getting larger and larger, and if he was alive today, he would not agree to that increase in the size, and he would make it still smaller. Not still smaller, he would release it in the same size, that is 3.5 inches, but he would not allow it to become any larger anymore. Okay, so thanks for watching, and that's it for today's video. Stay curious till the next one. Bye bye.